The Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Adeolu has reiterated the force's commitment to implementing child-friendly policing practices. IGP Egbetokun disclosed this at a conference and workshop program held with the heads of all police investigation units at the Nigerian Police Resource Center, Jabi, Abuja. At the workshop, which aimed at enhancing professionalism and standardization of criminal investigations and refined investigative practice of every investigative detective in the Nigerian police force, the IGP reiterated the unwavering commitment of the force to safeguarding the rights and well-being of children by adhering to the highest legal and global ethical standards, particularly the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. He said the child-friendly policing practices would be supportive, non-traumatic, and right-respecting towards upholding the dignity and rights of children and young people while fostering a nurturing and protective environment.
Rights and international standards. The Nigerian Police Force adherence to global standards, particularly the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, is a testament to our unwavering commitment to safeguarding the rights and well-being of children. This alignment underscores our dedication to implementing child-friendly policing practices that are supportive, not traumatic, and rights-respecting. Our approach is designed to ensure that our interactions with children and young people uphold the dignity and rights while fostering a nurturing and protective environment. By embracing international standards, we aim to enhance the trust and confidence between the community and law enforcement.
In an effort towards enhancing the operational framework for combating terrorism and other violent crimes in Nigeria, the head of the Nigerian Police Force's Money Laundering and Counter-Terrorism Financing Unit, CP St. Edozie, earlier in his address, emphasized the importance of capacity building in the areas of money laundering and terrorism financing.